This is one of the greatest neo-Renaissance buildings in America, and there's been a blank canvas sitting in front of the library for the last century. I suppose the most important thing for us was to try and come up with a garden that was sympathetic to Mr. Morgan's original aims. It's a new garden, but it's respectful of the historic context. I'm Todd Longstaffe-Gowan. I'm a landscape architect based in London, and I've been charged with the redesign of the gardens here at the Morgan Library. It's trying to create a more welcoming setting, I think, most importantly, to admit the public, invite them into the garden for the first time, so you'll be able to approach the building very closely and get a very close eye, as it were, of the entire composition. And so you'll see the wellheads, the sarcophagus, and these wonderful artifacts sitting in front of the building. I'm very pleased with everything from the procurement of the plants, the stone, and the quality of the materials and the craftsmanship. The Morgan is clearly an extraordinary institution, making the landscape something that's more worthy of the building itself will be the greatest legacy, I think, of the garden.